Hello everybody. Today we are going to explain you how to use the remote control with our program, Anyplace control. Now you know what is the remote control, but how we do it? It's very easy. We can connect to a host by his IP, his account credentials, and his ID. The last two we won't see it, but it's to connect by internet. The connection by IP it's only for LANs. The first step that we're gonna do is to add a new computer which we will connect to him. To do it, we click on Connection WIP and press Add New PC, where it will show two fields that we will see now. In the first one, rewrite the IP address of the host we want to connect. In the second field, we write the name of the host. We can modify some options, but we won't see it how. We can organize the host in groups. To do it, we make right click in the background and click Create New Group. If we write the name, after we can add more PCs at this group. Now we are going to connect to a host. In this field we will see we need to write the ID of the host. And here we write the password. We wait for the connection. And now the connection is done, and now we can control the remote desktop.
In this top menu, we see the different functions that we're gonna explain. At the left, we can see the remote desktop in full screen or windowed. In this second button, we can block or unblock the proportions of the screen to change them. In the third function, we can switch on total control or only view. That blocks the control top, the remote desktop. Only we can control it with total control allowed. Here we can select the monitor we will see if the host have more than one screen. We have at our disposal the capacity to transfer files to or from our computer without shape anything with an easy interface. We can chat with the host by text and voice with this option. If we have something copied in our file tray, we can easily send to it by clicking here. Here we control the host and can shut it down, close his user session and reboot it. In options, we can blank and unblank his monitor and enable or enable his mouse and keyboard. Enabling this button, we will receive the sound from the host. We can open his task manager with our keyboard, so we have a pull-down menu where we have some combination of keys. For last, in properties, we can change the velocity of our connection, the quality of the color, and the update frequency for better performance.
We can close the connection with the host doing this. At last, we dispose the tools pull-down menu where we can make a pre-configured host module. This is really interesting and useful when we have a specific configuration of this and we need to install it fast, automatic, or when we have to install it in a lot of PCs. At last, we have the help menu to see the if I key, buy licenses or see the official web page. That's all on Anyplace software control. We hope you enjoy it.